Okay, now that I've pulled the laundry tub out of there, I can actually stand in here and see if I can get this bottom left screw to line up. I have to pull that out of there. I don't know. Let me pull the screw back out just to see exactly how far out I am. It looks like I'm perfect. So why is it giving me a problem? Come on. Annoying. Maybe if I give it a little tweak. There we go. So you got to pull back on the stove towards the camera basically to just line it up perfectly to that screw. That's all it needed, was a little tweak. So now this will be all the way in, and then that stove won't be going anywhere. Okay, and then I'm just going to tighten up the screw at the top here, and then that will be it for the mounting portion of the Grizzly. So we're all set. Took a while, but that's it. Now, before I go ahead and do anything else, I gotta put my shroud on around this thing, and I'll have to show you guys that. Alrighty guys, so next we gotta work on the shroud for this kit, and I gotta get some screws and nuts ready to get this mounted, and I think I need 4 for this, so it should be the remainder of my bolts. Yes, it is. So 4 of those. And a couple 2 nuts. So we'll start with 1, and I'll just put these up here for now. So these guys just sit, there's screw holes already back here ready to roll, so 4 total, and if I just do this, that's all it needs. It's just a little extra protection. So we'll go ahead and mount these guys. Be a bit tricky here. Oh, I see. You can put the screws on first, and then they have little hook-like things where you can just drop it in. That makes it a little bit easier. I still got to get my hand in behind there to put put the nuts on. So just like so. So I can tighten that up. Oops. Okay. Cool. I will put the nuts on after the fact, I guess, because, you know, I'm gonna have to reach in behind there and do all that fun stuff. So, grab my other plate. And tighten these up. I like the shrouds because I had to mount these 2x4s across the wall in order to mount the stove so I could get into some studs. So it kind of deflects and, you know, deflects away from any of the wood surface, so that's nice. Do like that. Good stuff. Looks good. And I just want to check to see if my fitting will interfere with the shroud whatsoever. Now that that's on there. So no, so it'll be okay. That's good. And I do want to move the gear clamp. I gotta back the gear clamp off on this piece here and then slide it back facing towards the front of the stove in case I ever have to get at it. So, kind of important. Just loosen that off. Oh, and I see what's going on. It's stuck a little bit because of the is it stuck or is spot welded there? Okay, that looks like it's spot welded. So I'm not going to be able to do that. Thought I could, but no. So when it's on there, it'll be there, and I just want to see if I can get a straight blade screwdriver in to tighten that. Just barely. You guys see that? I'm going underneath the bracket and it's just past the shroud a little bit. So just able to tighten that up. Woo! Wow. That's wild. So I do have to run home and grab the high temperature silicone that I left there, stupidly. So I gotta make another trip there. But at least the stove is mounted, guys, and I think it looks pretty fancy. I'm gonna open the door up. And I have, from my first burn off, I have some crap inside of there. But I should, here, I'll just use a straight blade screwdriver. I'm just gonna move it, spread it back down evenly. one thing I do want to do is clear out the front combustion air holes here so we have room to roam. I'm going to look for a piece of stainless steel or something, like an angle iron, to put in here, so when the ashes burn down like they are here, well, they'll be cleaned out, but once that stainless steel plate's in there, it's going to be an L shape, so it'll be a barrier from the wood stove, like the wood burning, from the combustion air holes. So that's kind of important, I would say. Just push most of this stuff to the back. Okay. Good. Very good. I'm going to take the Dyson around and clean some of this up too. But very cool stuff. Now outdoors, I'm going to have to do a bunch of outdoor work today, guys. And I can put my laundry tub back, fortunately enough. I'll put that back in place and then reconnect everything. And then go ahead from there, because, or maybe I'll leave it out for now and then reconnect it once I'm all set. Might be a better idea. So I'll just put it over here. Yeah, so I gotta go outside, and what I want to do is run a piece of one of the B-vent straight pieces. I'll grab one here. I think I had one on the floor. I don't know exactly where it went, but we have one here anyway. So I got to run one of these guys through. Oh, actually I can do it from in here, I guess. Well, maybe not. No, I gotta, oh, I see what's going on. Outside there's a little clamp that's gonna help secure the pipe. I have to loosen it outside before I can run this through. But once I do that, I can get close to connecting to the 90 degree. Now what you want to look for, guys, you want to always follow the label on the pipe, the arrow. So when it's going like this, you want to have the arrow shooting that away. So that's the goal. And then this will be able to twist into that 90 degree piece with no issue. But I won't get to that for a while because I still have to set up the ladder outside, go do a run for some silicone, and do the rest of these pieces, and everything should be good after that. I'm hoping anyway. But yeah, everything's coming together, and we're getting there, guys. We're getting there. We'll see you guys later.